Hello, good morning to everyone. How are you, grade 4? So, in the last class we are discussed lesson 3 of block 2. Now lesson 4. In the last class you have seen some questions on fractions. Now totally we are discussing word problems in this lesson, that is solving fraction problems, right? Children, lesson number 4, solving fraction problems means you will find purely word problems in this based on the fractions. So I have written some 2 examples on the board, word problems. So I will show you how to solve this. You will come to know how it is to be solved in the lessons and in the workbook. In yourself you can able to solve worksheet and the lesson if I explain this. Afterwards you will solve yourself. See, John has 16 flowers. He gave 3 by 4 of the flowers. With him 16 flowers are there. And out of 16 flowers, to his friend he is given how many? 3 by 4 of 16 flowers. 3 by 4 of 16 flowers given to his friend. And how many flowers did he given to his friend? Of course it is given in the form of fraction. See, 3 by 4. We should convert in whole numbers. Actually how many flowers are given, we should convert into whole number. As I said in the last class, children, exactly same way. Total number of flowers are 16. So draw 16 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total number of flowers are 16. 16 flowers drawn. Now let us concentrate on this 3 by 4 of the flowers given to his friend. Denominator says what, children? I said it in the last class. Denominator shows how many total number of parts are there. So 4 means 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Denominator is 4. So divide 16 flowers to 4 parts. Select how many parts in this? How many parts we should select? That represents numerator. 3 parts we should select. Okay. 3 parts, we'll select 3 parts in this. Only 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3 parts selected. In these 3 parts, count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, in 3 parts, 12 flowers are there. So, what is your answer? John gave 12 flowers to his friend. John gave 12 flowers to his friend. Very simple, children. You should see how many total number of flowers. 16. In this, how many flowers he is given? He has given 3 by 4. That 3 by 4 means how many? Divide 16 into 4 parts because denominator 4. Select 3 parts because numerator is 3. In 3 parts you got 12 flowers. Therefore, John gave 12 flowers to his friend. Clear? Let us see one more example. So, Rita had total 6 slices of bread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices of bread. And out of 6 pieces, she ate 1 by 3 of them. Total 6 slices. But she ate 1 by 3 of 6 slices. 1 by 3 of 6 slices means what, children? we should divide, this 6 slices, we should divide into 3 parts. Number of parts, no, denominator means. Divide into 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Divided into 3 parts, equal parts. Okay. We divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Out of 3 parts, how many we should select? 1 part. So select 1 part. So out of 3 parts, 1 part is selected because 1 by 3 of the part she ate. 3 parts. Select 1 part. In 1 part, how many slices are there? 2 slices of bread. Means how many slices of bread did she eat? She ate 2 slices of bread. She ate 2 slices of bread. Children, same type of questions will be there in your worksheet and in the lesson. So after this I will be sending them. Refer these worked examples, solved examples. Refer the steps how it is to be solved. If you are not understood when you are doing worksheet and the lesson, please watch this video once again so that you will come to know how it is to be solved. Children, one more type of the question you will find in the lesson that is very easier than this. For example, you got 8 marks out of 10. Test is conducted for 10 marks and you got 8 marks. How can you represent this in the form of fraction? Simple, no? Simple, no, it is. You got 8 marks. Total test is conducted for 10. Total will go to the denominator and the marks you got will go to the numerator. So in the form of fraction you will write 8 by 10. Such type of questions are there. Understood? No? Like Nisha ate 5 parts of pie out of 8 equal parts. So out of 8 equal parts means total will go to the denominator and how many she ate in that? 5. So 5 divided by 8 is the answer. For example, I am saying Nisha ate 5 parts of fruit. Total parts made are 8 equal parts. So that total will go to the denominator and the number of parts she ate will go to the numerator. That is 5 parts she ate, total 8 parts, 5 divided by 8. Such word problems are there. One more type is you should create your own word problem. Here you are seeing sample word problems. You will get word problems in the lesson, you will get word problems in the worksheet. Any word problem you select and you create your own word problem. Only fraction will be given to you. 6 by 8 of 24. 6 by 8 of 24. By looking at this, create word problem. How we will create 6 by 8 of 24? John has 24 flowers. He gave 6 by 8 of the flowers to his friend. Like this, children. You can use these same word problems to prepare one more extra new word problem, right? One question is given actually in the workbook also it is there, in the lesson is also there. You should create your own word problem with your own words, with your own sentences. What is given in that? Fraction and a number is given. Use that number and fraction, prepare one word problem like this. Understood? Okay. Thank you.